Ivy Organic is proud to announce its 7th annual free fig cutting giveaway starting February 1st through February 29th of 2024 and or while supplies last. We currently have over 50 varieties and over 1,000 cuttings as of February 1st, with more varieties and more cuttings coming in every day for the next couple of weeks. All participation details can be read in the video description below, as well as at ivyorganics.com. These cuttings are ideal for the purposes of starting a brand new fruit tree on your property and or grafting onto an existing fig, as is this Hilda's Honey green fig that I've shared with you guys over the years. And it currently has several grafted varieties, which we're going to be talking about in the upcoming weeks. All of the cuttings you'll be receiving from us have been scored on the rooting end and dipped in a rooting gel or powder and then individually wrapped and labeled. This is one of the most talked about and shared events of the year, and we hope to share a few more fig growing tips in the upcoming weeks with fig growing enthusiasts such as the Fig Hunter and others. I'd also like to invite all of you in the SoCal area to attend our now 2nd annual Fig Exchange event that the Fig Hunter and Ivy Organics are co-hosting at the Long Beach City College on February 18 of 2024. For those of you in the area, please visit us, take pictures, meet other gardening influencers, and share several gardening lessons from talented growers. The list of all of the fig varieties available are listed in the video description below and will be updated every few days, with some additional ones as other ones also begin to go out of stock. Also, take a minute to support and follow our fig growing friends and community that have contributed to this annual event. The Fig Hunter, first and foremost, David Burke at the Fig Hunter shop, as well as you can find him on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. All of those handles and those links are conveniently located for you to follow below. The Fig Hunter has so far identified over 2,000 wild fig varieties and has already identified many that are the country's best tasting and most coveted fig varieties in the country. Be sure to check out the fighunter.shop to see the beautiful pictures and descriptions of these identified figs that are becoming some of the most coveted varieties of fig varieties in the country. Additionally, we got to meet with Edgar Valdivia and collected some of the coveted yellow long neck figs. Be sure to check him out on his YouTube channel.
Well, thank you for you to come over, and thanks to you, you're going to promote the yellow long neck. A lot of people are going to get this. So many people will be enjoying this wonderful fig. Remember, we don't push the fig. It's up to you. If you like it, you will enjoy it.
Thank you so much, Edgar. And I did learn about the yellow long neck again, which I'm going to put the link down below to Edgar Valdivia's YouTube channel, which I also encourage all of you guys to subscribe and hit that push bell notification. And it's a great way to also reach out to Edgar. You can write in the comments, and between he and his wife, hopefully they'll be able to get back to you with any questions you may have in regards to the many rare fruit varieties that he's also growing here in the garden. And thank you so much for having us.
Welcome. You are welcome.
We've also met with and collected fig cuttings from Paul Talley, a California rare fruit grower who has some of the most coveted traditional varieties of figs, and we're excited to bring those to you as well. The Texas boys are donating the LSU Tiger cuttings. And then we've got Kevin Chang, who is from YouTube and Instagram, and I'm putting those links below as well. And he's donating the common Cadota green fig variety. So when you receive your cuttings and it says Alex Brown Turkey Fig, you know that it's coming from this variety of fig, which is growing on its own root. You can see that it's got a multi-trunk. It's probably about 20 feet by 20 feet square large. It's got that big of a footprint. And about how many figs would you say you harvest off of this?
So we'll probably collect like 10 buckets, 5-gallon buckets during the summertime.
10 5-gallon buckets off of this tree. That's fantastic. And thank you so very much for your generous donation.
This is more like nice and beautiful pink color, white and pink color. And this is the Voodoo Child. Whoa, look at this. Okay, and Charles?
Fantastic. Cheers.
Cheers, yes.
Here you go, let's get our fruit.
Okay.
This is awesome. Cheers.
Okay, cheers. We're not gonna jump in the pool after this.
I might push you.
It's good.
It's absolutely delicious. And Jeffery Upton in Tustin, California, offering his raspberry latte among other quality fig varieties he's growing on his property. And of course, I'll be donating fig cuttings from my property as well. For those of you that have been following me over the years, we've got a 10-in-1 fig tree, so there's a lot more varieties of figs there. We've got behind me the Hilda's Honey Green Fig, which is my childhood favorite fig that I grew up with and what introduced me to the fig fruit from a very young age, and I'm happy to share those again while the supplies last. And we've also got cuttings off of the Grandpa Simon Green Fig, and that is a fig variety, again, our family grew up with and naturally grows to about 20 plus feet. It can still be managed to under 10 feet with pruning, but that vigor is an excellent rootstock if you're looking to use it as rootstock to support other flavors of figs, as we've done with our 10-in-1 fig tree. I would highly recommend that. And there'll likely be a few more contributors to the fig cutting event, and they too will be included in the video description below, and be sure to get connected with them as we all continuously learn from one another and grow together. One daily winner will be randomly selected for a free fig cutting of your choice from our available varieties by participating on Ivy Organic Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Simply find the February 1st of 2024 post, and below it tag 2 or more gardening friends and family, and the more people you tag, the more social media platforms you participate on, the better your chances are of winning. Click on one or more of the following social media platforms to get started. No purchase is necessary. Additionally, free fig cutting or cuttings will be included when you purchase any of the Ivy Organic brand products or plants. Details at ivyorganics.com. Before you check out, on the credit card information page, you can request under the order notes your top 3 preferred fig cutting varieties, starting with your best choices. We'll do our best to fulfill your request with no guarantees. It's first come, first serve, and we will be updating every few days with the varieties we have still available. For those of you that have participated in the annual free fig cutting giveaway in years past, we would love to hear your story, and please share that with us in the comments below. And also, if you're on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, be sure to tag us there, and we'll be happy to share your story with our audience as well. This is an excellent time of the year to get your hands on these dormant cuttings and integrate them into your backyard orchard over this long and hopefully very successful growing season. Starting on February 15th and while supplies last, we're also going to be including up to 3 pomegranate cuttings if you choose, instead of 1 fig cutting. So that'll be the proportion that for every 1 fig cutting you can get instead 3 pomegranate cuttings off of a variety of your choice, being the Ariana, the Desertini, and the Parfianca. The goal is we're going to be cutting these down as low as we can go, and whatever's left is going to be donated to the local fire department, and we're going to show the process of uprooting and transplanting fully mature trees that have been in the ground for about 3 to 4 years now. So we're going to get to experience that together as well. And you guys are going to have a chance on enjoying some of the most delicious pomegranates as well, being that they're very small, soft seeded varieties, something that's totally different than enjoying what's also a delicious variety, the wonderful variety that has a medium seeded fruit. These other varieties, again, the Ariana, Desertini, and Parfianca, are considered a very small, soft seeded, and still very delicious pomegranate. Please share this link with your gardening friends and family. And also don't forget to like this video. And for those of you that are new, be sure to subscribe and follow our channel so you can stay connected with all of our educational events throughout the year. And also show your support to all of those YouTubers that have contributed to this event by following their channels, especially our Fig Hunter friends, the Fig Hunter, who we are co-hosting the 2nd annual Fig Exchange event at the Long Beach City College on February 18th of 2024. And again, for those of you in the SoCal area, we'd love to see you there. As always, keep growing with Ivy Organics, and wishing you all happy gardening and some final words from the Fig Hunter family. Enjoy.
Well, we ready, girls?
Yeah. Find a fig, make a friend,
Find a fig, make a friend.
Plant a fig, make a friend forever.
I love
Plant
that.
a fig, make a friend forever.
That's
Thank
the
you
best.
for letting us join you, Charles. What you and your family are doing is just so amazing. It really is inspiring for us to give back to the world.
That's awesome. Thank you. And take care.
Bye.
Bye.